Want a deeper look at RootJunky? Watch as we break down its features and compare it with the stronger alternative. Part 1. What is RootJunky FRP Bypass? Want a deeper look at RootJunky? Watch as we break down its features and compare it with the stronger alternative. Part 2. RootJunky FRP Bypass. Pricing and security. Part 3. RootJunky FRP Bypass. How to use. Download the RootJunky APK from the official site or via SD or USB. Connect your phone, open the file, and enable unknown sources to install. Install and open the APK. Access settings. Perform a factory reset, then reboot. Set up the device with a new Google account. Part 4. RootJunky FRP Bypass. Advantages and disadvantages. Pros. Free. Works on older Androids. No root needed. Simple steps. Can bypass FRP on supported devices. Cons. Poor on new Androids. High failure rate. Outdated. Security risks from unofficial APKs. Not beginner-friendly and reliable long-term. Part 5. The most efficient RootJunky FRP Bypass alternative. Install the software on your PC and select Remove Google Lock FRP Advanced Mode. Connect your Android via USB, back up your data, and follow the on-screen steps to enter recovery or download mode. Select PDA, country, and carrier, then start to extract. Enable USB debugging and OEM unlock. The software will then bypass the Google FRP lock.